maths class. Today we are going to observe one more sum, that is find the value of number 1 log 32 base 2, log square root c base c, log 0.01 base 10, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. There are 4 sums. Let's take one by one. The first one is log 32 base 2. To find the value of this one, we can follow different methods. Now I am going to explain 2 methods. You observe them. Method 1 and method 2. In first method, let log 32 base 2 be x. Then the value of log 32 base 2 be x. Now change it into exponential form. It is in logarithmic form. Already you know the definition of logarithm. By the logarithm definition, we can write 2 power x equal to 32. Log n base a equal to x. Then a to the power of x equal to n. It is a definition of logarithm. And also we can write 2 to the power of x equal to 32 can express 2 to the power of 5. We can express 32 as a product of primes and write 2 to the power of n. This is a multiplication of 2 itself. 5 times we get 32. Now we observe on both sides bases are equal. If the bases are equal on both sides, then exponents are also equal. What is the exponent on left side? X. Equal to right side? 5. So we got the x values of 5. What is x? X is that given. Therefore we can write log 32 base 2 equal to 5. You understand this method? Now go to another method. In this method, let's take the given log 32 base 2. Yes. First to write the 32 as a product of primes. Log 2 to the power of 5 base 2. Now it is exact like the third logarithmic law. Already you know third logarithmic log x to the power of n equal to n log x for base a. It is the third logarithmic law. As for that, we can write 5 log 2 base 2. 5 is the n value. It becomes coefficient of log. 5 log 2 base 2. Now we can write 5 into 1. Log 2 base to 1. Why? Already we know log a base a value is 1. As for this, we can write log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Finally, 5 ones. So, log 32 base 2 equal to 5. It's another method. You can follow either this one or that one. Which one is easy to you, you can follow it. Okay? Now observe the second one. What is the second? Log square root c base c. It is given. We can also do this one in both 2 methods. Now I am going to explain only one method. You can do yourself the second method also. Let log square root c base c equal to x. Now change it into exponential form. What is the base here? C. C to the power of x equal to square root c. Square root. So the degree of this radical is a third, is a 2. So we can write this one c to the power of 1 by 2. This exponential form of the third or radical form. Radical form, exponential form. Now you observe on both sides of the bases, c and c, both are equal. The exponent on the left side is x, on right side is 1 by 2. Finally, we got the x value is how much? 1 by 2. So, log square root c base c equal to 1 by 2. Now observe the third one, log 0.001 base 10. Here given it is a decimal number. We can change this decimal number into decimal fraction and also write as the powers of 10. So let log 0.001 base 10 be x, then change it into exponential form, x to the 10 to the power of x equal to 0.001. 0.001 can write 1 by 1000. 0.001 equal to 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 can write 1 by 10 cube. One of the exponential law, 1 by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of minus n. As for this, we can change this one as 10 to the power of minus 3. Finally, we got the value of 0.001 equal to 10 to the power of minus 3. On left side, 10 to the power of x. Right side, we got 10 to the power of minus 3. The bases are equal on both sides. So, the exponents are also equal. Therefore, here x, there minus 3. X equal to minus 3. What is x? X is our assumed value of the given. Therefore, log 0.001 base 10 equal to minus 3. The fourth one, what is the fourth sum? Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Yes, I am going to explain this one is the second method. So let's take the given log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 equal to log 8 can write 2 cube by 27 I can 3 cube. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 is nothing but 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into nothing but 27 base 2 by 3. Yes, we are going to write this one log 2 cube by 3 cube is a 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. Now it is exactly like third law. Log a to the power of n equal to n log a. So the n value is a 3. 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 equal to 3 into the value of this one is 1 by log a base a equal to 1. As for this, the value of log 2 by 3, this one same like this exactly. We know the value of this one is 1. 3 into 1 equal to 3. Finally, the value of log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 equal to. Okay, thank you.